Ako, excited ako dito. Let's keep the fire burning on to our next semi-finalist. Nako, he'll absolutely, ito palang makikilala nyo, he's gonna rock your world.
Naalala niyo ba ang cute little kid na bumuhay sa dugo ng ating Big Three? Laro na si Miss Ai Ai. Sino siya? Walang iba kung ang bibong-bibong bata from Cagayan de Oro, Rolando Nang. Panoorin natin to.
You rock my world!
You rock my world too! I'm so very excited because I'm just like playing on stage. Enjoy po ako sa aking ginawa at love po silang lahat. Ang dream ko, mag-concert ako sa Las Vegas. Las Vegas, Nevada. Sana you will love my next performance, 3 judges. Pilipinas, show the world what you've got. This is Pilipinas Got Talent.
Agawan pa tayo ng trabaho.
Okay, yun.
Pero parang nagko-concert siya, parang nag-perform na talaga sa Las Vegas. Busog na, sigurado siya ngayon.
At bubusugin niya tayo with his energy. Please welcome our youngest semi-finalist, Rolando.
Hello, Manila! Hello, Philippines! Hello, world! Are you ready? Stay, color. I just can't handle it. This thing, color. I must get round to it. I ain't ready. Crazy thing, color. There goes my baby. No such a rock and roll, she drives me crazy. She can see how to call me relax. Yeah, be cool, relax. Get him, get all my tracks in the backseat. Take long ride, I wanna find a celebrity. The thing gonna come on. Yeah, be cool, relax up your hands. Get him, get all my tracks in the backseat. Take long ride, I wanna find a celebrity. There's a thing gonna. This thing color, I just can't handle it. This thing color, I must get round to it. I ain't ready. Crazy thing color, 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 crazy thing color. Thank you! Thank you, Miss Chris! Thank you, Miss Ai Ai! Thank you, Sir Fred! Thank you, Manala! And thank you, Cagayan de Oro City!
Rolando!
Rolando, step right away.
Good job, bro! Yan ang bibong bata.
Alam mo, bro, paalam ko lang sa'yo. How old are you again?
7.
7 years old.
7.
Ako nag-live band ako, bro. 10 years old ako first time. May kasama pa ako. 7
Sumusolo.
live band. Sumusolo.
Yan si Rolando.
Ibang klase.
Pero ito, hindi halata. Pero ang umabot sa amin ay puro gulay na lang kinakain mo.
Oh, bakit?
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 Ba't puro gulay na lang?
Kasi po, ang gulay ay may vitamins at minerals. Yun po.
Endorser.
Endorser na.
Endorser ng gulay. But now, it is time to hear from our judges. Judges?
I love you. Gusto kitang iuwi para may kalaro si Baby James. Ang cute mo talaga. Ay naku, at lalo ka pang naging cute ngayon.
Thank you po, Miss Chris.
Dati, you rock my world. Ngayon naman, you charm my world.
You charm my
You're
world.
so charming and cute.
Thank you po, Miss Ai Ai. You charm my world too.
May tagline talaga eh. Tapos.
Sir
Love
FMG?
you.
Anong pangalan mo ulit?
Si boss.
What's your name again?
Rolando Nang.
Are you sure?
Yes po.
You're a great entertainer.
Yes! Good!
Ang cute mo talaga. Sino kasama niya ngayon?
I think the mom is here as well.
Ayan,
And
tatay. Si Daddy, where's
I love
Mommy?
yung mga friends ko.
may mga friends.
Mga friends mo ba to?
Mga friends mo.
Mga
Parang-
barkada.
Mga
Teka.
relatives.
Mga barkada mo to? Barkada mo to?
32 years old.
na.
Hindi. Sila ang aking mga relatives.
Yun. Okay, okay. Thank you very much, judges. Ngayon, kung gusto niyong si Rolando ang kauna-unahang bata na makapasok sa Grand Finals, this is what you have to do. PGT space Rolando.
Remember, PGT space Rolando para sa ating youngest semifinalist. Kahit nagki-keyboard sa dito mag-isa, please text him. Thank you very much, Rolando. Good luck.
Thank you, Miss Grace. Thank you, Miss Ai. Thank you, Sir Fran. Thank you, everybody.
Wala,
Barkada mo.
Ingat.
Bye, Rolando.
Rolando.
I love you, Tom.
Panalong panalo na, but this time,